Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq, with daily insight on the Nasdaq 100 index, or the NDX, which is made up of 100 of the largest domestic and international non-financial innovative companies listed right here on the Nasdaq stock market. The NDX has been the barometer for U.S. large cap growth and also one of the best performing indexes over the last decade and a half, not to mention one of the most liquid index ecosystems in the world. Now, with just under 2 hours to go until U.S. stocks close on this Friday, February 28th, the Nasdaq 100 is trading lower. We can take a look at that intraday chart there, having its worst week since October 2008. That was the height of the financial crisis, as are all of the major averages and international markets due to the coronavirus outbreak, fueling fears over a global recession. As a result, we have seen a 12 to 14% decline in market cap for U.S. stocks since February 19th highs, which was only 7 trading sessions ago. In fact, this is the fastest stock market correction in history. Note the 10-year yield also hit a record low, down over 30 basis points in just 1 week. Typically, as yields move lower, so do stocks, because it's a signal that investors are putting money into bonds since they are considered safe haven assets. That said, the Nasdaq 100, despite being down over 2.5%, it's outperforming the other major averages on a relative basis. We saw some strength in technology, semis in particular. They were having a strong day. Some of them still may be green. We're looking at NVIDIA, Xilinx, Micron, AMD, KLA, Tencor, and Lam Research. In fact, the Nasdaq 100 at one point today was slightly in the green for a quick minute. Let's turn to the trading week ahead. Clearly, the global economic impact of the coronavirus will be front and center. The key here is, when will we see sellers' exhaustion? Perhaps we've seen some of that in the tech names. Perhaps it's more contingent on what a coordinated response in the U.S. will look like. And of course, we're going to be watching for global central bank reaction to the rout in markets. From the Nasdaq market site in New York City, I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.